I'm whipping the phone and I can't whip no beetle. I wrote that chain line over a beater. I like the song like I'm Eva Knievel. But it don't mean nothing without all my people. When I step up on stage, hand it to the sky.
Hey guys, today I'm gonna do my skincare routine. And yeah, this is the day I'm pretty sure something bit me because this is just too big to be. Anyways, so I'm about to brush my baby hairs back because, you know, you want to get it complete. And I feel like I break out a lot whenever I do baby hairs because all that gel and stuff is not matching with my skin. But anyway, so after I do that, I'm gonna wash my hands, of course, because, you know, let's go. So the first thing I use, I'm probably about to butcher this, but it's the Alafia triple milled African black soap. Hey! Shoot. And lemongrass citrus. That's a mouthful, but that's what I use for my face. And yeah. And by the way, everything that I'm using, I'll have it linked down below so you guys can get it yourself. Okay, and then I use this Indian healing clay. This stuff is really good. Like, this stuff got my acne down within a week. And so this is a little combination. Everyone uses this. Like, I be seeing this on YouTube all the time. But I use this apple cider vinegar. And I just use, like, you kind of have to eyeball it. So I put, like, a spoonful. And then I do a top fill of the apple cider vinegar. And I mix it together in a cup. And there you go. And wait till it gets to a clay consistency. Some people like it watery, I don't know, but the mask is really uncomfortable on, but it's so effective, so I feel like it's worth it. So I go back over and do another coat because sometimes I make too much and I'm not wasting none of this. I mean, this stuff wasn't really expensive, but it's expensive for me because, like, I'm a college student. I'm broke. So, you know, I had to splurge a little bit for this. So anyways, I let that sit for about 10-15 minutes. It depends on what I have going on. But for today, I did why am I lying? Today, I did 15 minutes. Okay, once I'm back, I just wash that off. This stuff's a little hard to come off. Like, you gotta do some scrubbing. But once it comes off, you just feel so beautiful. I'm just playing. I mean, you know what? But, like, high-key, after the mask is off, my face be feeling so dry. So I put a little olive oil on my face. I know y'all kind of like olive oil. Y'all just look it up. Look it up. I'm telling y'all. So I put some olive oil on my face, and then I take that Alafia soap again, and I rinse it off. I know it's kind of like, okay, you put it on real quick just to take it off, but no, like, my face feels refreshed after that. It doesn't feel dry or sticky. So, you know, I just wash it off with the Alafia soap. Okay, next thing I do is take this tea tree oil. This stuff is strong, but I'm telling y'all, it works. It works. So that's the end. That's basically it of my face routine, whatever I'm calling the skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Y'all look at me waving. All right. Bye, y'all.